Hello, this is Rachel from SINOFUDE. Welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce to you our return oven. About this machine, each batcher can bake 13 plates one time. The heating power is 56 kilowatts. The power is 4.9 kilowatt, and the oven size is about 1.8 meter plus 2.2 meter, and the height is 2 meter. The Biscuit return oven is a piece of equipment specially used for baking biscuit. It usually consists of a rotating grinder and a heating element. The working principle of Biscuit return oven is to heat and bake the biscuit evenly through the combination of a rotating baking pan and a heating element. Typically, a baking sheet will have many small holes or grooves for placing cookies so they stay in place during baking. The baking pan will rotate at a certain speed to ensure that the biscuits are heated evenly so that they are evenly cooked in the oven. The heat generated by the heating element is transferred to the biscuit through convection, and radiation. To reach the required baking temperature, ovens usually come with a temperature control that allows you to adjust the temperature inside the oven as needed. Usually, a biscuit return oven can improve baking results and production efficiency. In addition, the Biscuit return oven works in such a way that multiple biscuits can be placed on the baking sheet at the same time, increasing production capacity. Generally speaking, the Biscuit return oven is a piece of equipment specially used for baking biscuit. Through the combination of the rotating baking pan and the heating element, the biscuits are heated and baked evenly, which improves the baking effect and the production efficiency. Next, the features of this oven are the air outlet in the furnace hole is designed with 3 layers of electric control, upper, middle, and lower. This is also a damper which automatically adjusts the size of temperature on each floor according to the pre-temperature, while the hot air in the furnace is even and soft. Number 2, principal temperature control, able to operate within plus or minus 1 degree centigrade. The rotating free used servo to control the speed. The exhaust fan at the exhaust port is controlled by frequency conversion to control the exhaust air volume and thereby control the moisture. Here, number 5. Here is the touch screen. Here is the touch screen of the machine. Used to the touch screen to operate and sit pharmacy conveniently. Number 6. The whole machine is made of stainless steel and complies with food hydrancy. Okay, this is the overall about rotational oven induction. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me. Goodbye. See you next time.